They said it couldn't be done. They said a gun that shoots through glass? Impossible. But it's here, now, with Dick Tracy's new silent ray gun and electronic target game. A gun that shoots a powerful silent ray. Hit the moving target. Shoot for skill. Develop a sharp eye and a steady hand. Improve your score. Sharpshooter, marksman, or expert. For every hit, the buzzer sounds. The better you hit, the higher you score. Only the new Dick Tracy target game has this electronic scoreboard. You can hit all the Dick Tracy bad guys as far as 30 feet away. You control the target speed yourself. Who said it couldn't be done? It's here now, the Dick Tracy electronic target game with special electronic scoring for skill and accuracy, wherever American toys are sold.